JSV, JSV is a wonderful world. JSV, JSV on a colorful day.
Hey Elvis, I'm bored of studying.
Let's play person place thing.
How to play that?
Look at this bowl. Select an alphabet. What did you get?
Letter C.
Okay, now we'll have to list one name each for a person, place and thing, starting from letter C. Let's see who does it first. Start. Time up. Time to check the answers.
Hey Elvis, why are your answers in capital letters?
Because you listed all common nouns and I listed all proper nouns. All proper nouns need to be capitalized.
What is the difference between common nouns and proper nouns?
We know that all names are nouns. Here, child is a general name. It is not specific. Hence, child is a common noun. If you say, "Hey child," you might probably get many responses. But if you say, "Hey Chang," you might get one response as you are pointing to someone specific. Chang is a special name given to a specific child and hence it is a proper noun. Look at the following pictures. This is a boy. This is a dog. This is a fort. This is a car. All these names are general names of a person, an animal, a place, and a thing. These are common nouns. Now, let's give special names to these common nouns. So we can say, this is Jimmy. This is Ginger. This is the Red Fort. This is a Honda City. Special names given to a person, an animal, a place, and a thing are called proper nouns. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. Names of cities, days, months, festivals, books, etc. are proper nouns. So, Omar, do you now know the difference between a common noun and a proper noun?
Yes Elvis, I now know that. Common nouns name general people, animals, places or things. Proper nouns name specific people, animals, places or things. Common nouns do not need capital letters unless they are part of a title or the start of a sentence. Proper nouns require capital letters even when they are not at the start of a sentence.
Excellent, Omar.
Thank you, Elvis. Learning with you is always fun.
Number 1, names. Again, number 2,
Names.
anything.
N A
Again,
M
anything.
E
S,
N
names. Y T H แปลว่า N G anything แปลว่า Number 3 anyone again number 4 anyone specific A again Y specific O S N P E E anyone C I F แปลว่า I C specific แปลว่า general again one more time general let's spell the word general G E N E R A L general Number 1 is proper nouns. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or things. When you write proper nouns, the first letter should always be written in capital letter or in big letter. For example, number 1, place. Example of a place is Paris. Number 2, person. An example of a person's name is Dr. Chris. Dr. Chris is a specific name of a doctor. Number 3, dog. A specific name for a dog is Coco. Number 4, movie. Movie is a common noun. To make it a proper noun, you need to have a specific title of a movie. For example, The Avengers. Another type of noun is common nouns. Common noun is a general name of a person, place, thing, or animals. Common nouns are not specific and they can refer to anything. Common nouns are usually not capitalized, so when you write a common noun, it usually starts with a small letter. For example, number 1, girl. The first letter of the word is written in small letter. Number 2, hospital. Hospital is an example of a common noun. Number 3, bag. Number 4, cat. And number 5, sports. These 5 words are examples of common nouns. Example, in the sentence, my sister and her friend plan to ride their bikes to the movies. In this sentence, the four common nouns are sister, friend, bike, and movie, because those words can mean anything. It is not specific or particular. They can refer to anything else or something else. But there are exceptions to the rule. There are two exceptions to be aware of when using common nouns. These are the following exceptions. Number 1. First, when a common noun appears as the first word in the sentence, it should be capitalized. And number 2, the only other occasion for capitalizing a common noun is if it appears in a title. This is an example to rule number 1, or the first exception. In the sentence, doctor helps the sick people. The word doctor is a common noun, but in the sentence, doctors help the sick people, it should be capitalized since it is the first word in the sentence. This is an example to the second exception. My cat Toby. Cat is a common noun, and it is not needed to be capitalized. But in the title above, my cat Toby, the common noun, which is cat, is capitalized since this can be a title of a book or a movie. So when you write the noun cat, the first letter, which is letter C, should be capitalized. Let's practice. In this activity, you are going to choose a common noun from the given options for each pair of specific nouns. On the left side are the proper nouns, and on the right side are the common nouns. Given are options for you to choose what common nouns are in the proper nouns. Let's review. Nouns. First one is common nouns. Common nouns are not specific or they are general. Common nouns usually start with small letter. While on the other hand, proper nouns are specific or particular. And proper nouns should be written in capital letters. In the given options, we are going to write the common noun in every number.